now that I'm here in my personal spot, I'm actually gonna talk about EDCs. You know, the everyday carry kits. This stuff come with me everywhere I'm going. Sometimes you won't have time to grab your book out bags or all your stuff that you have or whatever. But you still have something on you that could help you at least to improve the situation. So I'm gonna show you. There's a lot of situations where this EDC could help you in your, your everyday life, at work, at your home, or when you're out in the woods, like hiking, or just practicing your skills, your survival skills. So first, I use a carabiner. Okay, simple one. Why a carabiner? Because it's easy to attach to your belt, or if you're not using your EDC, you could, hang your EDC somewhere. Okay, and then work on your stuff, but you have your EDC in front of you. I have around 7 to probably 10 feet of 550 paracord braided, and I'm gonna talk right now about paracord. There's a lot of uses for this. I also have a pill canister that is filled with cotton balls with petroleum jelly, pre-made fire starter material. I have a Victorinox little knife, an army issue can opener. This tool is really good actually. I like it. It has a compass, it has a whistle, it has a thermometer. Right now we're 36 degrees. And it also has a magnifier lens, so it's really good. Bottle opener, a little flashlight, and my fluorescent rod.